Welcome back to Muscle Car, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're exploring the buzz surrounding the 2025 John Deere pickup truck. Known for their agricultural machinery, John Deere has not officially announced plans to enter the pickup truck market. The circulating images and videos are speculative and not based on official information. The concept of a John Deere pickup truck has intrigued many, leading to various speculative designs and features. Imagined powertrain options include a hybrid engine delivering around 450 horsepower and a diesel variant with approximately 500 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. These designs suggest a towing capacity of up to 30,000 pounds, positioning it as a formidable contender in the heavy-duty truck segment. In terms of design, these speculative models feature a bold and muscular exterior, with a robust front grille, LED headlights, and a reinforced steel bumper, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The bed is designed with high-strength steel, ensuring durability for heavy-duty tasks. Inside, the imagined designs offer a blend of comfort and functionality, featuring premium leather seats, a spacious cabin, and state-of-the-art technology. A 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Multiple USB ports and a wireless charging pad are also included to keep devices powered on the go. Safety features in these speculative designs include advanced driver assistance systems, combining radar, AI cameras, and driver assistance tech to sense potential hazards and automatically adjust the truck's behavior to keep occupants safe. The truck's frame is designed to act as a protective cocoon in the event of an accident, with the cabin surrounded by multiple airbags, including a unique cocoon airbag for front passengers. While these speculative designs are impressive, it's important to note that John Deere has not confirmed any plans to produce a pickup truck. As of now, the company remains focused on its core products, including tractors, lawnmowers, and other agricultural machinery. In conclusion, while the idea of a 2025 John Deere pickup truck is intriguing and has generated considerable interest, it remains a concept without official backing. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest developments in the automotive world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things muscle and performance.